Good morning, students. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is revision. Okay, children. So this is revision lesson number 1. The lesson name is Things Around Us. Okay, children. The lesson name is Things Around Us, and this is revision for you. Okay, children. So I think you have already completed your classwork. So if you have completed your classwork, take your classwork and open lesson number 1. I am going to read. See your classwork and you listen. Okay, children. So first main hard words. First one, organisms. ORGANISMS, organisms. Second one, energy. ENERGY, energy. Third one, MOVEMENT, movement. Fourth one, swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Fifth one, excretion. EXCRETION, excretion. Sixth one, breathe. BREATHE, breathe. Seventh one, respiration. RESPIRATION, respiration. Eighth one, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. Ninth one, CARBONDIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. Tenth one, sensitivity. SENSITIVITY, sensitivity. 11th one, reproduction. REPRODUCTION, reproduction. 12th one, mammal. MAMMAL, mammal. 13th one, leaping. LEAPING, leaping. 14th one, habitat. HABITAT, habitat. 15th one, substance. SUBSTANCE, substance. Okay, children. So these are the hard words. First one, organism. Second one, energy. Third one, movement. Fourth one, swimming. Fifth one, excretion. Sixth one, breathe. Seventh one, respiration. Eighth one, oxygen. Ninth one, carbon dioxide. 10th one, sensitivity. 11th one, reproduction. 12th one, mammal. 13th one, sleeping. 14th one, habitat. 15th one, substance. Now next main, fill in the blanks. An electric fan is a dash thing. So in the dash you must write non-living. NONLIVING, non-living. Second one, the things which occur in nature are called dash things. So in the dash you must write NATURAL, natural. Third one, dash flower moves towards sun. So in the dash you must write SUN, sun. Fourth one, dash is a non-green plant. So in the dash you must write mushroom. MUSHROOM, mushroom. Next, fifth one, some animals are kept by men in their houses called dash. So in the dash you must write domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. Okay, children, so these are the fill in the blanks. Next main, third main, write yes or no for the following statements. First one, green plants produce their own food. So in the bracket you must write YES. Second one, all natural things are living things. So in the bracket you must write no, NO, no. Third one, living things live forever. So in the bracket you must write NO, no. Fourth one, all animals give birth to young ones. So in the bracket you must write YES, S. Fifth one, animals can show their feelings. So in the bracket you must write NO, no. So these are yes or no. Now fourth main, answer the following. First one, what are natural things? Give two examples. Answer, the things which occur in nature are called natural things. Example, plants, moon, trees, sun. THINGS things, WHICH with, OCCUR occur, NATURE nature, CALLED called, NATURAL natural, THINGS things. Example, PLANTS plants, MON moon, TRES trees, SUN sun. Second one, are all natural things living things? Answer, no, all natural things are not living things. NO no, ALL all, NATURAL natural, THINGS things, ARR NOT not, LIVING living, THINGS things. No, all natural things are not living things. Third one, give three main features of living things. Answer, the three main features of living things are living things grow, living things breathe. THRE3 MAIN FEATURES futures, OF of LIVING living, THINGS things, LIVING living, THINGS things, GROW grow, LIVING living, THINGS things, BREATH breathe, LIVING living, THINGS things, REPRODUCE reproduce, living things reproduce. HUMANS humans and ANIMALS animals, PRODUCE produce, YOUNG young, ONES ones, THROUGH through, VARIOUS various, METHODS methods. Humans and animals produce young ones through various methods. Next, fourth one, give two examples each of natural things which are living and non-living. So for natural living things, plants, animals, human beings. For natural non-living things, mountains, rivers, soil, etc. NATURAL natural, LIVING living, THINGS things. PLANTS plants, ANIMALS animals, HUMAN human, BEINGS beings. NATURAL natural, NON non, LIVING living, THINGS things. MOUNTAINS mountains, RIVERS rivers, SOIL soil, ETC etc. Next, fifth one, name 5 creatures that fly in the sky. Answer, parrot, pigeon, vulture, crow, eagle. PARROT parrot, PIGEON pigeon, VULTURE vulture, CROW crow, EAGLE eagle. Parrot, pigeon, vulture, crow, eagle. Next, sixth one, name 5 creatures that live in water. Answer, fish, dolphin, shark, whale, duck. FISH fish, DOLPHIN dolphin, SHARK shark, WHALE whale, DUCK duck. Seventh one, name 5 wild animals and pet animals or birds. 5 wild animals are tiger, lion, bear, fox, cheetah. FIVE 5, WILD wild, ANIMALS animals, ARR, tiger, LION, lion, BEAR, bear, FOX, fox, CHEETAH, cheetah. Next, 5 pet animals are birds, or FIV5, PET, pet, ANIMALS, animals, BIRDS, birds, ARR, DOG, dog, CAT, cat, PARROT, parrot, PIGEON, pigeon, RABBIT, rabbit. Next, 8th one, how are animals useful to us? Animals are very useful to us. They help us in different ways. Cows and buffaloes gives us milk, hen gives us eggs, sheep gives us wool, dog protects us from thieves. ANIMALS, animals, ARER, very, USEFUL, useful, TO2, US, us, THEY, they, HELP, help, USS, IN, DIFFERENT, different, WYS, ways, COWS, cows, AND, BUFFALOES, buffaloes, GIVES, gives, USS, MILK, milk, HEN, hen, GIVE, give, USS, EGGS, eggs, SHEEP, sheep, GIVES, gives, USS, WOOL, wool, DOG, dog, PROTECTS, protects, USS, FROM, from, THIEVES, thieves. Okay, children? So, next main, write one word for the following. Things that can breathe, grow and reproduce. So, the one word is living thing. LIVING, living, THING, thing. Second one, things that cannot breathe, grow, eat and reproduce. So, they are called non-living things. NON, non, LIVING, living, THINGS, things. Third one, non-living things that are made by man. So, answer is man-made things. MAN, man, MADE, made, THINGS, things. Fourth one, non-living things that are not made by man. So, answer is natural things. NATURAL, natural, THINGS, things. Now, next main, match the following. First one, living thing. So, in the A side, living thing, natural thing, man-made thing. So, in the B side, chair, stone, tree. So, first one, living thing. So, in the B side, in the third line, tree is there. So, for living thing and tree, you put one line. Second one, natural thing. So, in the B side, in the second line, only it is there, stone. So, it is a natural thing. So, for natural thing and stone, you put one line. Next, third one, man-made thing. So, in the B side, in the first line, chair is there. So, for man-made thing and chair, you put one line. Next main, circle the odd one. So, they given here 3 options. In that, one does not belong to that group. So, you must circle that one. First one, bench, child, stone. So, bench is a non-living thing and stone is a non-living thing. But child, it is a living thing. So, only one is the living thing. So, you first circle for child. Next, air, water, chair. So, air is a living thing, water is a living thing. So, chair is a non-living thing. Air we can breathe, water we can drink, a chair, but we cannot do that one. Only we can sit on the chair. So, put circle for chair. Next, third one, computer, aeroplane, mountain. So, computer is made by man-made thing. Aeroplane is made by man, but mountain, it is a natural thing. So, put circle for mountains. Okay, children. So, these are the revisions of lesson number 1. So, the lesson name is Things Around Us. Okay, children. Any doubt? Okay, children. So, once again, I think all of you have understood this revision. So once again I am repeating that if you have already finished your classwork, don't write once again in the classwork. You take rough note and practice 3 or 4 times in the rough note. So if you have not completed your classwork, see this video and complete your classwork. Okay children, thank you.